Wait, were you filming?
No.
Hey guys, and welcome to our first video for this channel.
Who says I'm not filming?
Hey guys, welcome to our first video for this channel. My name is Matt. It's probably enough space.
Dog.
Can't do it. Beef all the time. Oh my god, it's gorgeous.
There VA326.
And as for the monitor, there it is. Look at it. 4K, 144 Hz. Beautiful. And as for my monitor, I've gone with the Asus VA326 34 inch, or 32 inch, sorry. You.
Stop it! He's biting
Oh
this!
my god, that. Go.
He's like, no, I want to come round.
Give me.
This area is a mess.
Here you go. You happy now? You have to cuddle. You're gonna stand there and shit like a good boy. You know how you're gonna jump in. Say Tracy can.
Yep.
Johnny.
He's making music with his tail.
Johnny. Good boy. Right, I'm gonna go in the tree just to get.
Okay.
Right, first YouTube video done. Hopefully it wasn't too shit. I imagine this will be part of the bloopers, because making it still recording.
No, I'm not.
So yeah.
I'm not doing anything.
If you see this, leave us a comment, say what we could have done better.
Getting a proper camera to record with would be one thing.
Yeah, I do have a proper camera. This is just on the phone. But,
Yeah, the camera sounded worse than the phone.
Yeah. Just leave it there like that.